Have you heard about HTML comments? Comments in software development is actually an essential tool that allows you to describe parts of your code. For example, you might have a particular section of your code describing a specific feature or functionality. So you may need to put in some sort of comment so that whenever you come back to that code, you can be able to identify what you have done by just reading through the code. So in this class today, we're going to look at HTML comments, how to add comments to your HTML file. Now let's take a look at W3 schools and see what comments it's all about and how we write comments in HTML. HTML comments are not displayed on the page. You can only see them when you click on the open the page source of a particular page. But if you need to add comments to your HTML pages, all you need to do is to start with an open bracket, which is a less than, followed by an exclamation mark, then with 2 dashes. So once you start your comment with that, then you end your comment with 2 dashes, then a greater than sign. So let's open our file just from where we left in the previous lesson. Now I'm going to type in some comments so comments are usually written within the body section. So I'm going to say that since this H1 is mainly for the heading, so I will write a comment here. So I mentioned that comments start with a less than and exclamation mark, then dash dash, and it ends with a dash dash and a greater sign. So within these two, you would write whatever comment you want to have. So let's say this is for the heading. So if we save this file and then we reload our page to see if this comment is going to appear on the page, so we can see that we cannot see the comment we have just written. So we only have this particular one shown on the browser. So you can add as many as possible comments. Comments are good ways of writing neat and clean codes. So you can add another comment to this section. Just typing in this, then type in your code, my last box. So we have this. So by just looking at this code, you can read this comment and know that, okay, this comment is meant for this and this means that this. Then for the last one, you have this comment. This comment is describing what this section of the code is doing. So if you're using VScode, there's a shortcut for writing comments. So what you do whenever you want to write a comment is that you press the Shift key, then the Alt key, then the A key, the letter A, the Shift plus Alt plus A. So by the time you press the 3 together, so you're going to have the opening and closing tag for comment. So within those two, you can type in whatever comment you want to type in there. So if you want to look at the comments, you can just right click on this page and check the view page source. Now you can see that we have the comment somewhere here. This is for the heading, which is this. So this is the only way you can see comments written on HTML page.